Hello everyone, welcome back to the solutions for the NSAA 2017 paper. So these NSAA papers are provided as official study materials for the ESAT exam, and therefore we can assume that these problems are fairly standard to the ESAT exam. Alright, so let us begin. Question 9. Question 9 is just a problem on exponents. So basically you will have to gather the powers on the left hand side as well as the right hand side, equate them, and you will get your answer. Alright, just a basic application of properties of exponents. So let us see how we can solve this. You have 2 4 8 4, so basically everything is a power of 2. Bring everything to a power of 2. Alright, so 2 to the power 3 plus 2x, 4 to the power x, I can just write it as 2 to the power 2x, and then 8 to the power minus x can be written as 2 to the power minus 3x. And then on the right hand side I'll just write 4 as 2 square, and this as root 2, I can just write it as 2 to the power half, right? So if I bunch up the powers on the left hand side, I'll just get 2 to the power 3 plus 2x minus 3x, and on the right hand side I'll get 2 to the power 2 plus half 5 by 2. Okay, now you can either say that if LHS and RHS are equal and the bases are equal, then the powers will be equal, or you can say taking logarithm to the base 2 on both sides. Alright, I think the second one is a much better mathematically sound argument. So we can just write taking log base 2 on both sides. Okay, if you do that, then you will have 3 plus 4x, basically 3 plus x, right? 4x minus 3x is 3 plus x equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5, so x will be equal to minus 0.5. That means option D. Okay, not very difficult, just bunch up the powers, so you'll get your answer. Alright, moving on to the next problem. Now the next problem appears to be a bit tricky, the keyword being appears. Alright, so all of these information, not everything is needed here. Okay, some of them are given to distract you. Do not get bogged down in the details. Alright, so very easy question. What does it say? We have to calculate the total number of students studying German, right? Now what is given? X girls study French, and there are 3x girls in total. 35 students study Spanish, out of which y are boys. So that means how many girls are studying Spanish? So girls studying Spanish will be 35 minus y. So this is girls Spanish. Alright, so let us girls and Spanish. Now there are total of 3x girls, x study French, so the total number of girls studying German and Spanish, that will be 2x. Now we have the number of girls studying Spanish. Okay, so these are girls, Spanish and German. So how do I calculate the total number of girls studying German? Just subtract. This will be equal to 2x minus 35 minus y. Now 2y boys also study German, right? Okay, this is minus 35 minus y, right? So this will be 2x minus 35 plus y. Okay, so students studying German, this will just get added. So 2x, these are the number of girls studying German, and 2y boys study German as well. So add 2y, that will give us 2x plus 3y minus 35. What does this equal to? A, B, C, F. Yeah, okay. Alright, so again, not a very difficult problem. Usually these problems are related to sets and Venn diagrams, but this one was not. This one was simple algebra. Figure out what values you need to calculate, subtract them, add them, get your answer, mark it, done, full marks. Okay, so make sure that you are practicing these sums quite a bit. Many of the sums might appear to be from a different chapter, but they will be solved using techniques from some other chapter. Alright, not all problems will be straight cut. If you need more practice, do check out the books that I have written in the description below. Alright, you will find quite a lot of problems there, many mock tests also. You can practice them after you have exhausted these resources. Okay, but do always start from the official resources. The theory is given on the website, these papers are given. Make sure you solve all of these and then go for the extra study materials that are linked in the description if needed. Alright, so with that being said, I'll end this video here. Thank you all for joining, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Take care.